Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make a living with a small audience. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to make a living even if you have a small audience. So the very first thing is you have to build a connection with your audience. I see so many channels out there with millions of subscribers, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and some of them make a bit of money, but most of them don't make a ton of money. Most of them just make a small income. Some of them don't even make a living with having 100,000 subscribers, even 200,000 or 500,000. Probably if you have 1 million, then you can make a living, but some of them just don't make that much money. Like all these prank channels and all these channels like that, they don't make that much money. And I'm going to tell you why. The reason that is because they don't have a connection with their audience. Their audience, they might be going to the channel and subscribe to them because they like to have a laugh, and then they just, go away. But if you build a connection with your audience and you can have a very small channel, or maybe it's not even on YouTube, maybe it's on your Facebook group, maybe it's on your Instagram or something like that. I've seen some Instagram accounts with 10,000 followers, and they're not like 10,000 on Instagram isn't that big, and they make a killing with that. And the reason that is because they build a connection with your audience. They talk about something, they give them some value, they explain some things, they teach them something. They really manage to build that connection, and that's something that you really have to focus on. On this channel, I'm really trying to give you as much value as possible. I'm trying to build a connection with you, build as much as possible, because this is something that's very important. If you don't do that, then you can have as many subscribers as you like and you won't make any money. So make sure that you teach something. Maybe you want to give them value. Maybe if you're a woman, you want to teach someone how to do makeup. You want to if you know how to build an Instagram account, tell people how to build an Instagram account. If you like working out, teach people how to do that, and help them, be really focused on that. Don't just do that because that's what you have to do to make some money, because that won't come across. Do something that you're actually trying to do. I've said this many times before, but this channel is not about me. This channel is about you and helping you succeed. This is what I want to do. I want you to actually be able to make some money online. So, once that you've built that connection with your audience, or even before that, because you don't want to wait until you have all these subscribers or whatever, but you want then to have a high ticket product or a recurring offer. So what I mean by that is, if you have a small channel or a small audience, you can't sell 1 million different products. So if you try to go on Amazon and try to sell a book, just like I talked about in yesterday's video, probably because I filmed it 5 minutes ago, but it's something that a lot of people don't realize. They try to sell really cheap products, and then they made $1 here or $2 there, but that's not going to get you anywhere, because you don't have a big enough audience. And even if you do have a big enough audience, then it's not interesting to sell something that's really cheap. Instead, you can sell something for $500 plus. Find a product that's worth some money. or something that has an upsell, like maybe it's like a $2 entry, but then they sell something for 500 in the back end or 1,000. But you know, you have to really focus on that and actually sell something that's really, really valuable. Like, otherwise, there's no way you're going to make any money. So that's one way of going about it. The second way is going for a recurring offer, because that's something that's going to pay you every month. So it's, in my opinion, even more valuable than a high ticket product, because even though you might not get as much money in the first place, then it's going to pay you every month, and like after a year, like you'll make quite a lot of money because you're getting that sale every month. And every month you can make a new sale, but you still get the first sale coming in every single month. So you start making more and more money no matter what. It's like as soon as you sell one product, like in 1 month, and you sell one product the second month, then you're making more money the second month. So that's something that, you know, it might not be as big as the high ticket offer, but it's extremely valuable because you're getting paid every single month. So, you know, this is a very simple thing that you have to understand before you even start a YouTube channel is, you know, how do you make a living with a small audience? Because, you know, build a connection and then sell some items that actually make you money, not some items that are like $1 because you won't get anywhere. So with that being said, this was kind of a short video, but I really felt that it was really important. So I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.